Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate values in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you're managing large data sets and need to quickly identify repeated entries, whether that's tracking inventory, monitoring customer information, or ensuring data quality in any project. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage where all your existing sheets and workspaces are displayed. Now, locate the specific file or sheet where you want to find duplicate values. This could be any sheet you're currently working with, perhaps a project tracker or a contact list. Click on that sheet to open it. Wait a moment for the sheet to fully load, so all your data appears on screen. Once your sheet is open, you'll need to create a new column specifically for checking duplicates. Click on the column header area to add a new column and give it a clear name. Something like duplicate check or count works well. After naming the column, you need to set the column type. Click on the column type dropdown and select the specific type that matches what you're trying to find. This ensures your formula works correctly with your data format. Now comes the important part. Click on the first cell under your newly created column. Here, you'll enter a formula that will count how many times each value appears in your target column. Type this formula equals sign count if the name of your target column, the name of your target column, the name of your target column at row. This formula checks the entire column and counts how many times the value in that specific row appears throughout. Once you've entered the formula in the first cell, simply drag it down to apply it to all rows in your sheet. You'll see numbers appear in each cell, indicating how many times that particular value exists in your dataset. Any cell showing a number greater than 1 means that value is duplicated. Next, we need to highlight these duplicates visually. Click on Conditional Formatting in the toolbar, then click Add New Rule. This feature will automatically format cells that meet certain criteria, making duplicates stand out immediately. In the rule setup, click Set Condition and select the column that contains your formula, the one we just created. Then click Define Custom Criteria. In the dropdown where it says Contains, change it to Is Greater Than. In the Value field, input 1. This tells Smartsheet to flag any cell where the count is more than 1, meaning it's a duplicate. Click Continue to proceed. Now click this format to adjust how you want your duplicates to appear. You might want to change the background color to red or yellow, or make the text bold. Choose whatever formatting makes the duplicates most visible to you. Click Entire Row to apply this formatting to the complete row rather than just one cell. This makes it much easier to spot duplicate entries at a glance. Once you're satisfied with your formatting choices, click OK to confirm. Finally, click OK one more time to save your conditional formatting rule. You'll immediately see your sheet update with highlighted rows wherever duplicates exist. Any row showing a value greater than 1 in your formula column will now be highlighted, clearly indicating that it contains duplicate data in the specific column you're monitoring. And there you have it, you've successfully set up duplicate detection in Smartsheet. Your duplicates are now clearly visible and easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.